In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download Fairmoney app on Android phone. All you just have to do, just go to your Google Play Store, then on the search bar top, just type in Fairmoney. So once you type in Fairmoney, you can see Fairmoney loan app. You can tap on any one of the two. You can tap in Fairmoney loan app, or you can tap on the Fairmoney, then you will see the app right there. You can see Fairmoney app. Just click on that and click on install. So once you click on install, once you have enough space and data on your phone, you'll be able to download the Fairmoney app from Google Play Store. You can see the total data for this app is 35 MB, and it's pretty cool in my own case. So I'm downloading the app, and I'm gonna make more video around Fairmoney, so you can stick around to more video on this channel just about Fairmoney and other apps that you can use for finance purpose.